Ladangi paya ke jingkring jong ki jaka jngohkai pyrthei ha ke jela. Ngio I bahagini ki khniat sngi mat khamtam hagini ki benai ki bamenta. Bun ki briu na ki wei ki jela ki lawan sha ke jela Meghalaya. Warla ka dei ka ayom slap hanrei da ki spa teli ki kali ki keu sha ka nongba Shillong ban wan pet ka ye ke jing itnat jong shibun ki jaka jngohkai ha ke jela. Kaliang menteri katanat kam jngohkai pyrthei ba poleng do habakren halor ke jing khamtam habaide be ke jing dheng kali ulayathu ba nakaliang jong u ulabathai ke officer jong katanat jngohkai ïakren bat ki officer na ke jela assam kumno banle habaide be ke ne ke jing dheng kali ha ke jela na ka dau jong ke jing wan tu jong ki kali na ke jela assam ula ongru balada kin sukhang na ke jela lani lada kim sha shu ya ki wei ki kali na ki wei ki jela banrong sha ke jela Meghalaya kan kata shibun namar ki kali na ka jela Meghalaya ru ki le sha ki wei ki jela ban le kamai ka ji bat khamtam habede bat ke jing le jngohkai jong ki brio ki ba na ka jela.
I have asked the officers of the department to immediately start talking to their counterpart in Assam, because we should not we should have them on board so that the movement of cars from Meghalaya to Assam will not face problems. We have to engage in a discussion with them so that we are able to resolve this problem in an amicable manner. Because if we decide arbitrarily that we don't allow, and then they hit back by saying we also will not allow your cars to move across Guwahati, then what happens?
But one peculiar problem here is, as our colleague has mentioned, because of too many cars floating from Assam to Meghalaya to visit during the summer vacation. So at the same time, also these tourists they end up in traffic jam instead of visiting tourist spots. So that's whether immediate step will be taken, like they will stop somewhere and then ferry them from there to the destination.
See, which is why I said I've asked the officers of the department to start engaging in a discussion with their colleagues in Assam, so that we have a mutual understanding and we are able to settle the matter in an amicable manner. One. Two is, as you're aware, we've also flagged off new tourism vehicles. Okay. Now, within the next few weeks, we should be able to, now we've been able to launch about 50 new tourism vehicles, and by March next year, another 50, meaning that these are exclusively for the purpose of ferrying tourists. So once we are able to fill up that deficiency on our own, then the number of cars from Assam will come down. One. Two is we are also working on identifying new routes for the movement of these cars. For instance, there is the new road being constructed from Maudendep, which will be able to then not enter Shillong, but cars can move directly to reach up to Sora. So we are in the process of identifying these new routes, and in fact, the Maudendep, Maudendep road is under construction, so that movement of vehicles can start happening without them entering Shillong.
These vehicles that you
all along, everybody was coming using their own cars or hiring cars from Assam. Now we are in the process of flagging off more such cars, and we expect about 500 such vehicles in the next 5 years. So that will fill up a major lacuna that we have right now. And two is, when you encourage high-end tourists you also encourage responsible tourism, because these are people who can invest more in the tourism sector, spend more. The spending power is more. So when you have one guy who can spend more, and he takes the place of 20 guys, so the number of footprints also gets reduced accordingly.